We've got a good question today. Why not use payable on death or transfer on death on everything? I'm Valerie 𝗠𝗶𝘂 of 𝗠𝗶𝘂 Law, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. We help folks find peace of mind through their planning by providing the utmost in value every day. Now, besides the fact that you're offering zero protection to your loved ones after you've passed from using a payable on death or transfer on death that you could otherwise get if you set up a proper estate plan, you're also creating a mini nightmare for yourself. And I'll explain a few reasons why. If there's just one change of circumstance in your life or that of a loved one, really, then it impacts how you have to process everything. First off, let me give you some examples. If you want to add or remove a beneficiary, and taking it a step further, imagine you want to add, say, a grandchild to the plan, your distribution at your passing. You're putting a grandchild as a beneficiary under an account that if they are a minor, they're going to receive whatever that is at age 18. Not typically the smartest method. Second example, if one of your beneficiaries has an illness and ends up receiving government assistance of some kind, well, the latter receipt of your account in an inheritance through the transfer on death, payable on death, could impact those benefits that they're receiving. So what do you do if one of these circumstances comes about and changes your life or theirs? Well, you have to go change every single account every time this happens. I wouldn't want to do that. It's a mess. It's a headache. Instead, if you have it flowing through your estate plan, that means owning it individually to go through a will and probate, or under a trust umbrella, which avoids a probate, depending on your circumstances, of course. You can then change that plan, right? The will, the trust, the one place for everything that's going through from your passing, rather than having to change account and account. And if you haven't updated all of those accounts and something happens to you, we're then making a bigger mess. Streamline your plan. Make sure it's going through one central sort of wish list as to who's in charge and how it's distributed. And in my estimation, we do 99% of the time, we protect those beneficiaries to the utmost possible. And that's not able to be accomplished similarly using a payable on death or transfer on death. Again, I'm Valerie 𝗠𝗶𝘂, estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. If you're seeking some help for yourselves and your family for estate planning purposes, you can reach out to us at yourplanningattorney.com for a free consultation. As always, please